नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ट्रेड विद प्रेम मुलानी। तो कल वीडियो बना नहीं सका, तो कोई बात नहीं। आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे जो मैंने पुट शॉट किए थे उसका क्या हुआ। वो उसका स्नैपशॉट ये रहा, वो मैंने कहा एग्जिट किया। तो चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं, आज क्या हुआ। तो आज मेरे से एक मिस्टेक हो गई, एक ब्लंडर हो गया कहूँगा। मैंने कल और पुट शॉट किए थे और आज मुझे एक अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला था प्रॉफिट बुक करने का। पर मेरा व्यू इतना बुलिश था मार्केट के लिए कि मैंने प्रॉफिट बुक नहीं किया और घूम फिर के वही पोजीशन मेरे को रेट टू रेट निकलनी पड़ी। ये मिस्टेक से मैंने एक चीज़ सीखी है कि मार्केट में हमेशा हमें कभी भी प्रिपेयर्ड होना चाहिए कि मार्केट कैन गो एनीवे। आज ऐसे ही हुआ, मार्केट ने बहुत अच्छी स्टार्ट दी और एक बहुत फिर स्टीप सेल ऑफ आया। बैंक निफ्टी में थोड़ा धीरे आया, पर बैंक निफ्टी में एक बहुत स्टीप सेल ऑफ आया था। तो होता है ट्रेडिंग में, कोई बात नहीं। उसके बाद क्या हुआ, उसके बाद जो आज का पैटर्न बना काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग था। तो ओवरऑल ट्रेंड बुलिश है, पर मेरा पर्सनल व्यू ये है कि जो अभी की जो मोमेंटम है यहाँ रुक जाएगा। यहाँ से थोड़ा सा साइडवेज डाउन साइड मार्केट जाएगी। इसके लिए मैंने एक शॉर्ट पोजीशन बनाई है। तो आज की लाइव वीडियो में आप वो देख सकते हैं कैसे है। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगता है, इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक करना ना भूलिए और अपने दोस्तों के साथ ज़रूर शेयर कीजिए। आज का वीडियो जो लाइव ट्रेडिंग का है वो इंग्लिश और हिंदी दोनों में, इट्स इन इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी, ताकि वो सबको समझ आ सके। और आपके क्या क्वेश्चंस हैं आप कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं, और किस टाइप के वीडियोस चाहिए उसके बारे में भी आप कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए, तो मैं कोशिश करके वो बनाऊंगा। थैंक यू, गुड लक एंड ऑल द बेस्ट।
फ्रेंड्स, आज मेरे से एक गलती हो गई। मैंने कल पुट्स शॉर्ट किए थे बैंक निफ्टी के 35,300 के 260 की एवरेज में, और सुबह मुझे 157 तक वो पुट गया। मार्केट ऊपर खुली थी और मेरा व्यू बहुत ज्यादा ही बुलिश था, तो मैंने उसको बुक नहीं किया। मार्केट यहाँ ओपन हुई, फिर एक देखिए यहाँ पे एक बड़ा सा सेलिंग आया। एज पर माई स्ट्रेटेजी मुझे यहाँ एग्जिट करना चाहिए था, जो मैंने नहीं किया। मेरा स्टॉप लॉस ये लेवल था और अभी भी मैं पोजीशन होल्ड कर रहा हूँ। मेरा व्यू अभी टर्न अराउंड हो गया, पर एक पुल बैक के लिए एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि ऐसा वर्टिकल फॉल के बाद जब सपोर्ट्स तोड़ता है तो एक पुल बैक जरूर आता है या साइडवेज होता है। तो उस पुल बैक और साइडवेज में मैं अपनी पोजीशन मिनिमल लॉस में एग्जिट करूँ, उसके लिए मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ। तो जो मेरी अभी 340 तक भी चले गया था ऊपर, अभी 290 पे है, तो मैंने कॉस्ट के बाजू डाल दिया है। अभी थोड़ा सा मार्केट एक पुल बैक ले रहा है, कहीं ये पॉइंट तक रिट्रेस होना चाहिए, वहां पे मैं उस पोजीशन को एग्जिट करके कॉल शॉर्ट करूंगा। कॉल शॉर्ट करने का रीजन है कि ये जो वर्टिकल फॉल आया है, इसके बाद मार्केट वर्टिकल रिकवरी नहीं देगी, साइडवेज रहेगी या नीचे और जाएगी। ये आप देखिए वर्टिकल फॉल। अभी जो रिट्रेसमेंट यहाँ से कम से कम 426 तक जा सकता है स्पॉट, और उससे ज्यादा 480 तक। अगर 426 भी आ जाएगा तो मुझे मेरा एग्जिट मिल जाएगा। अभी 281 है, सिर्फ 20-22 पॉइंट दूर है, तो उस ट्रेड में तो मेरा निकल जाएगा कोई बिना लॉस के, मतलब हम लोग एग्जिट हो जाएंगे। पर मिस्टेक ये हो गई, जहाँ प्रॉफिट बुक करना चाहिए था वो नहीं किया। खैर, गलती तो होती है, बट देखते हैं कि गलती से मैं क्या सीखता हूँ, आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करता हूँ। हमारी पोजीशन वापस हमारे इसमें आ गई है, रेट के अंदर। तो हेज पोजीशन में लॉस है, बाकी जो ओरिजिनल पोजीशन कॉस्ट टू कॉस्ट आ गई है, तो बहुत नॉमिनल सा लॉस है यहाँ पर। थोड़ा और एक यहाँ अपसाइड है, कम से कम 38% रिट्रेस होना चाहिए, यानी 50-60 पॉइंट बैंक निफ्टी, और ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है। पोजीशन में होल्ड करके रखी है, इसको देखते हैं। फिलहाल 207 यहाँ पे एक सिमिलर है, यहाँ एक स्टॉक ऑप्शन में लॉस हुआ था। बाकी तो इसमें हेज हेज ट्रेड का हमेशा एक बेनिफिट रहता है कि ड्रॉडाउन्स भी लिमिटेड ही रहते हैं। So we've exited that position, in fact at cost to cost, you can say. This account also almost cost to cost. So let's see, now I'm looking a little more pullback and I'll be shorting calls for sure. Maximum what I can expect market to go is 35,480. Maximum 100 points which I'm expecting. There I'll be taking a short position in calls. Looking at the time it took to consolidate, I think I will, and I'll not wait for 480 at 420 25 I'll take the position, and the calls what I'll be taking is the call which I'm planning to take would be 30 go 36 400 I'll buy. That's trading at 36, and I will be selling 35 400. Yeah, this is good. So we are here at 410 408 and almost there. I think I'll take the position now. So I'll do this. So call which I'll be buying is 36 400. So I place this, and let's see, we got the entry here. Okay, we've got this in, and I'll put a sell at 311 for 35 400 calls. And sell, let's put it a limit at 312. Okay, we got the fill also. Right, so we have it here also. Some date. Yeah, we have the entry here also. So 312 we sold and 36 we bought. So this is the next new position which we've taken. The chart. See, now if you look at this, this is a big down flag being in the making, and already Bank Nifty has broken this trend line. The reason why I took this trade is, if you look at this, this was a nice trend the market was going. Now that's been broken, and now we have this sideways movement. Now taking such a long sideways, so eventually this should turn around. If you look, the price is going up and we are going short. That's because we are expecting a reversal anywhere soon. So we have taken this trade. So the maximum retracement is, see, if this is if my analysis is right, so it will not go beyond 50%. 480, it should not go beyond 480 the spot. Now it's 415, 418. So what we sold at 312 is now at 320, 21. So that's fine. So let's see how it goes. See, it's taken good some resistance from there. It went till 429 Bank Nifty, and from there you can see some selling. So I'll take it to a shorter time frame. So you can see this 5-minute time frame. So the moment it came into the 38% zone, there was some selling came. Now, if this is taking a sell-off from the 38% zone, then we can expect a big sell-off, and it's just 1 o'clock. Maybe we could see a good sell-off today itself. So the calls which we shorted at 312 are now 300 already, and it's been how much time? Just shorted it, I think 12:49, 7 minutes back. So they went till 320, 25, I think, and then again we're seeing some selling coming from there. A little aggressive trade I went into exactly at the money. I was intending 35,500, but you know, I thought the 35,500 is becoming a strong resistance open interest wise. So I don't rely completely on open interest, but a part of it. When open interest is matching the price action, जब open interest price action के साथ match कर रहा है, तब मैं उसको एक resistance मानता हूँ. तो 35 500 has a very high call open interest. So if that is going to become zero in this expiry, even 35,400 is very likely to become zero. So on that base, I've taken 35,400 call. So let's see how this goes by. So Bank Nifty is taken resistance as expected. So let's see what Nifty is doing. Probably entry in Nifty also. Wow. So Nifty is also taking retracement at 38%. So that's sign of good weakness. If I get a red candle probably here, can buy some Nifty puts. Nifty is taking. Let's wait for a few minutes before. Most likely I'll buy some Nifty puts because it's a good opportunity, and we'll go for the in the money put of 15,700. And go for Bank Nifty puts also, but we already have Bank Nifty position, so we will just go for Nifty puts. Let's get the fill. Okay, it's pending. 4. We got the fill at 154. Let's see. So I thought the market would turn around from 38%. It showed some weakness, but it went on and hit the 50% retracement level for Nifty and also for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty even went beyond 50, so maximum 61.8. It didn't touch 61. If 61.8% retracement crosses, then I'd not carry these positions. I'd close it. But if it's below that, I think we'll get an opportunity to exit at a good rate. So the calls which I shorted in the range of 312 are currently 340, 344. So nominal loss there currently. So this is the advantage in options. Even if you go wrong, the losses are not very huge. And for example, Nifty put, which we bought at 153, we've lost 20 points there. But I am confident that we'll get an opportunity to exit at cost in this. The reason for this is the spot level has not gone compared to the futures. So there is some selling in the cash market probably. Futures is not very far from the day high, but spot level is good 60, 70 points high from the day high. But the futures is just 30 points away from the day high. So let's see how it goes. So we might get some selling or some retracement, and that we get an opportunity to exit. Let's see. Now we've seen some sharp sell-off come in Bank Nifty and Nifty. So if you look at this, this is a 2 o'clock candle, but just the first minute and there's a huge sell-off. So a little pullback would definitely come here. And I think I'll buy some puts over here. So which puts I'll buy? Let's see. So I'll go for yeah, 35,500 looks good. So I'll go for 35,500 puts and entry price. Okay, so this was the way from where the rally started. So 238 would be my stop loss, 10 points below that. So I would buy this at the rate of 290. So if I get this at 290, I'll buy say 175, 200 quantity at the price of 290. 322. Place the order at 290. If we get that, well and good. If we don't get it, fine. We have our calls short, so we can Come on here. Let's see where are the Nifty calls going. Okay, as I expected, Nifty are back to my cost, the Nifty puts. And the Bank Nifty calls which we shorted have come below into some profits now. So let's see. Put is just not giving any opportunity. It's running away. So I'm going to cancel that order because there's no point in buying it that expensive. So I'll be canceling this order now. It's already crossed 400. And so our short position is doing pretty well. It's come to 248. Oh yeah, lovely. The Nifty put, let's see where that is. Oh, that's come in a good profit. So let's hold on. Some real ruthless selling came up in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Really heavy selling. So now the calls which we are short, we are in a very comfortable position. So we shorted them at 312, now trading at 250. So this is a carry forward trade for sure now. And I'm expecting this call tomorrow is Wednesday to cover with below 100 rupees. So we'll be carrying this call. Nifty put it's 164. So we'll look into that and we'll book some profit in there. We just look at the analysis. Let's remove the address. Okay. Now if you look at a higher time frame, Nifty, let's go to half an hour chart. So this is the top the Nifty has made. Okay. This is the high and this is a lower high made. So eventually, and this is a good selling at the lower high, most likely this low will be breaking. If this low is broken, so we could expect a further sell-off maybe somewhere at these levels. So as it retraced more than, how much did it? A little more than 50%. That makes it, if it would have been 50%, but still it's a lower high. So definitely we are going to see some more selling coming in tomorrow. So I might even carry the puts because they are in the money puts. So there's not much premium to lose. So 15,558 is the spot, and so that put is 142. So there are 22, 23 points premium. So 10 points a day premium is okay. 2 days left, that's okay in Nifty. That much premium is reasonable. So a very critical thing I just noted, see, if you we draw a trend line, this low adjoining this low. So now the Bank Nifty took support from this low. So this becomes a validated trend line. Now this is about to breach. It looks like most likely it will breach. Now if there's a close below this, definitely the current up move is at pause. Many people, I prefer trend lines when they are validated. Validated in the sense when you join 2 points and from a third point it takes support and there's a bounce. So that gives a confirmation of that trend line. And when that trend line is broken, so it gives a, yeah, it's a good opportunity over there for the market to fall further. I think the call short is a pretty good trade we are in. We'll stick on to that. Fluctuations and M2M will be wild. So we were even, this trade went into 30,000 loss what we were holding, and now it's went to 18-20,000 profit and 9-10,000 profit is there. So, but there's a lot of potential in this trade, more than 50,000 we can make in this trade in Bank Nifty. So let's stick on to it. With this low high setup, I'm also taking some Nifty puts in this account, and this I'll go a little. I'll go for the 15,600 puts. Probably 600 quantity. Price would be 90. we got the fill at 89.50. It's trading at 89. Calls is now waiting game. It looks good. I mean, the setup looks pretty good. And the seller's a little rash. So, but yeah, it will take some time and we'll have a further follow-up. We closed this 15,600 put because I realized we are paying a very high premium in that. 2 days to expiry, I'm paying 25 days of points of premium for 1 day. So I didn't want to pay that kind of a premium. So I closed that. But yeah, I'll be carrying this puts 15,700 put because the premium I'm paying here is just now come to even less 10, 12 points. It's like holding short futures. So I'll be continuing holding that because that I'm expecting a good return in that. Maybe my average is 154. It could give me, I think, 80 to 100 points by tomorrow or day after. The calls which we have shorted are now doing fairly good. So now it's just to ride them out. Okay, that's it. I think for the day, completing this video. So we'll be just carrying forwarding these trades and see how they go tomorrow. If you like this live trading video, please do like this video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Don't forget to do that. See you all tomorrow. Have a great day. All the best.